How to download Blender on a Mac for free. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Blender for free on your Mac, MacBook, Mac Mini, anything running Mac OS. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So to get started, the first thing we need to do is open up a browser and then navigate to blender.org. Check the description. I'll have a direct link down there. This is the official website for Blender, and you should really only download Blender from blender.org so that you know that you're getting a safe install file. So once you get to blender.org, in the top menu here, go ahead and select download, and then it should automatically detect that you are on a Mac, but if it doesn't, select the little drop down and just find Mac and select that. So once you get here, select download Blender, then just save that file to your computer, and once it's done installing, open up that file, and when you open up the Blender installation file, this window will open up. So all we need to do now is drag the icon right here by selecting it with our mouse, holding the selection, and then drag it into the little folder. Once you do that, the application folder should open up on your Mac, and then it will have installed Blender on our Mac. So now in this list of applications, if you look through it, you'll see Blender. You can open that up. And when you see this, that it's downloaded from the internet, are you sure you want to open it up? We know it's safe because we downloaded it from the official Blender website of blender.org. So go ahead and select open. If you'd like to give access to Blender for your microphone, select allow. I don't need that, so I'm going to select don't allow. Then Blender will open up where you can set up your language and theme and different aspects of your mouse, things like that. Select continue. And then you can start your new file, open up a previous one, and start using Blender for free on your Mac. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.